a 3D truck model using Blender. Go to the Blender software. Go to the file, New, Reload Startup File. Right click on the cube to select the cube. Now press S to scale the cube. Press X to scale it in the X axis and then left click on the cube. Again, right click on the cube to select the cube and press S and then Z to scale it in its Z axis. You now get the center body of the truck. Rotate the truck and select the front face in the edit mode. Press E to extrude and then press the left mouse button. Select the back face, press E to extrude and then press the left mouse button. Select the upper middle face of the truck and press E and extrude. Now go to the front view of the truck. Press Ctrl plus R to subdivide loop and cut loops in all the 4 edges. Go to the top view. Press Ctrl plus R to subdivide loops in the 4 edges in the back end of the truck. Now face select the region between the subdivided loop at the back end and press E and extrude inwards. This creates the shallow wagon attached behind the truck. Now go to the side view of the truck. Switch to wireframe in edit mode. Select B and box select the front end of the truck and scale it so as to bend a little in the front so as to look like a truck. Now to add tires to the truck, go to Add Mesh Cylinder. Right click on the cylinder to select the cylinder. With the truck in the right view, rotate the cylinder so as to look like a circle and position it to the truck to look like a tire. Go to the bottom view. Scale the tire to fit the size of the truck. To duplicate the tire, press Shift plus D and then press X to move the duplicated tires along the X axis and position it to the other side of the truck. Now press Shift and select both the tires. Press Shift plus D to duplicate. And then press Y to move the duplicated tires along the X axis and position it to the appropriate position. Now press Shift and select all the 4 tires and press Join to join all the tires into a single object. Now right click on the body of the truck to select it. Go to Object Modifiers, click Add Modifier. Select Boolean from Generate. Select Difference and then select the object and click Apply. Now press B and box select the tire and press Delete Vertices. Do this for 3 tires. Now go to the object mode, select the 4th tire and scale it to a smaller size and press Face Select to select the outer face and press E to extrude and S to scale. Now add the respective colors to the tire and then click Assign and duplicate the tire and assign to the other 3 positions assigned for the tires. Now choose the appropriate color for the truck and click Assign. Place a plane over the truck and apply the modifier and click Emission and put the emission rate as 10. Go to the object mode, press 0 for camera view. Position to appropriate view and lock the view. Select Render. Assign the sampling rate, preferably to a higher value to get a more absolute rendered image with a higher clarity. Now press the render button and let it render. The final rendered image is a truck that we have designed. Thank you.